She's looking at you, but not just with her eyes. She's scanning your presence, your stillness, the rhythm of your breath. Her body reacts before her mind catches up. You haven't even touched her, not her hand, not her hair, not even the air around her. Yet something inside her moved. That's not luck. That's magnetism. That's the magnet code. Most men chase attention. You become attention. Because the truth is, seduction doesn't start with touch. It starts with energy. The way you walk into a room, the way silence bends around you, the way your confidence doesn't shout, it vibrates. And once you master that, you'll never chase again. Besides, chasing is for dogs. Attraction, that's for men who know how to stand still and make the world lean closer. Welcome to the Magnet Code, where we don't teach tricks, we teach presence. The kind of presence that makes a woman forget the world exists for 3 seconds straight. Sign 1. The power of presence. Picture this. You walk into a cafe. The lights are low. The air smells like espresso and curiosity. You don't speak. You just exist. She looks up, and time takes a coffee break. Every muscle in her face softens. Her eyes flicker like she's remembering something that hasn't happened yet. You didn't do anything. That's the secret. While other men perform, you just are. Most men think seduction starts with words, but the most dangerous kind of desire begins in silence. It's not your hands, it's your presence, how you hold your energy like a loaded weapon that never needs to fire. Think of it like this. Your Wi-Fi with perfect signal. She doesn't know why, but suddenly she wants to connect. And if you want to master that invisible power, subscribe to the Magnet Code, because we don't chase women here, we attract gravity itself. Sign 2. The whisper of words. Your voice is a weapon most men never learn to use. Most talk too much, too fast, too loud. But the real ones, they speak slowly, like their words are dripping off velvet. You see, a woman's imagination is faster than your actions. She feels before she's touched. She responds before she understands. So stop speaking to her ears. Speak to her nervous system. Drop your tone. Slow your rhythm. Let silence breathe between your words. Say her name like a secret you weren't supposed to tell. Then watch how she smiles for no reason, because her body understood something her brain hasn't yet. And if your voice cracks, relax, laugh. Confidence isn't perfection, it's how you stay calm when your humanity shows up. At the Magnet Code, we call this vocal foreplay. It's not what you say, it's how your energy rides your words. So go ahead and subscribe before your next "Hey Beautiful" gets ghosted again.
Sign 3. Emotional teasing. Seduction isn't about the chase. It's about the pull. Hollywood gets this wrong every time. They show sweaty kisses, shirtless heroes, and over-the-top passion. But the real game, it's psychological. It's the tension between wanting and waiting. Curiosity is the spark that lights her desire. It's like emotional Wi-Fi. If you give too much signal, she disconnects. Give just enough, and she stays searching for your connection. That's emotional teasing. And when you do it right, she's addicted to your uncertainty. Sign 4, the power of restraint. Here's where most men fail. The air gets heavy. Her pupils widen. Her lips part. She leans in. It's right there. The kiss, the spark, the chance. And you? You don't take it. You smile, you sit back, you own the moment without needing to control it. You didn't reject her. You simply showed her you're not a slave to your own desire. That's not weakness. That's mastery. Every other man would have jumped in. You're the man she'll dream about later because restraint builds obsession. Think of it like Netflix. She doesn't binge you all at once. You leave her waiting for the next episode. You want her hooked? Then stop giving her spoilers. That's the magnet code. We don't just seduce women, we make them replay us in their minds like their favorite movie scene. Sign 5, the mystery effect. Mystery is the oxygen of attraction. Most men talk too much, explaining, proving, validating. But the man who says less and means more, he's unforgettable. You don't reveal everything. You peel it. One layer at a time, like she's unwrapping your mind with curiosity trembling in her fingers. You let her wonder who you are, what you've lived, what you're hiding. Because the moment she can predict you, she's done feeling you. Mystery isn't about being cold, it's about being unreadable. The quiet confidence that says, you'll never figure me out completely. And that drives her insane. Don't tell her everything, man. Leave breadcrumbs, not blueprints. Because when she's lying in bed thinking about you, she's not replaying facts, she's replaying imagination. The code: presence, voice, teasing, restraint, mystery. That's the magnet code, the unspoken language of attraction, the difference between chasing and being chased. And here's the truth. Once you understand this, you don't just attract women. You attract respect, power, influence. Because magnetism isn't about looks. It's about energy, controlled, intentional, unstoppable. If you've ever wanted to understand the psychology behind attraction, the way women feel before they think, then you're home. This isn't just a channel, it's a brotherhood, a secret lab for the modern man who refuses to beg for attention. So if you're ready to learn the code, the art, the energy, the silence, join the magnet code. Hit subscribe and let's reprogram your presence together. Because the truth is simple. She's already watching. And next time, she won't just look, she'll feel.